This week, I made a few changes to RuffRide. If we go over to the weather tab, we can see that I have added more of Terrier's GFS products, including precipitation totals, visibility, cloud cover, ranging from total um, to the individual low, middle, and high levels. These are valuable layers for pilots to use. Down here, we still have the same HRRR, real-time mesoscale analysis, and live radar products. Everything in the conditions tab is still the same. We still have our turbulence forecast. We have our pilot reports, our station weather, and our lightning strikes. But now we also have Terrier's radar. So once this loads in, we can see current radar, and then we could compare that to station plots, pilot reports. We can see that there's a lot with this cell over Illinois and southern Wisconsin. Now, the majority of changes this week came in here, the flight plan tab. So there's a lot of things you can fill out as if you were filling out a true flight plan. But for this dashboard, really all you need is the route. So this is a standard IFR style route from Dallas to John F. Kennedy. We can go ahead and hit plan. And if we go over here to departure, this is what's new. We have a dual screen setup here. Now on the left, here's Dallas Fort Worth, and we can see the departure and the procedure that we are flying. If we go over here, we can see the active taxi map showing everything that's going on in the vicinity. And then finally, up here, we have all our charts. So here's the official chart for that SID procedure. We could also look at the official taxi diagram and all the other procedures that we would like to look at. Over here on the right, we have the METAR weather data. So pretty straightforward. Next, we have the in-flight tab. So this kind of shows you your flight on a map. If you hit Analyze Forecast, it'll sample and create your forecast for the turbulence on your flight. So as you can see here, we start in Dallas. It shows our climb up into our selected flight level of 34,000 feet. It says that about in an hour, we'll encounter some turbulence and then moderate to light turbulence pretty much for the rest of the flight. Now, there is a suggested flight level, although most of the times in IFR flight, you would not be able to just randomly drop to a different altitude. But it's just a cool little feature that tells you pretty much where the smoothest air is on your flight. Over here on the arrival tab, we have pretty much the same information as the departure tab, but just for the arrival. So we can see our arrival procedure here. We can look at our taxi status and then our charts. So this arrival is a Carbon 5 arrival. And that's pretty much it up until now with RuffRide for the pilot's version. I'm going to begin working on the passenger version, and I have some exciting ideas. So I've been enjoying working on this, and I'm looking forward to working some more.